The Shiva Nataraja is a brilliant invention. It combines in a single image Shiva's role as creator, preserver, and destroyer of the universe and conveys the Indian concept of the never-ending cycle of time. There is no better way to understand the philosophy of the universe than by studying the dance of Nataraj. Shiva's dance is set within a flaming halo. The god holds in his upper right hand the damaru, the hand drum that made the first sounds of creation. His upper left hand holds Agni, the fire that will destroy the universe. The dwarf-like figure being trampled by his right foot represents Apasmara, illusion which leads mankind astray. The energy of his dance makes his hair fly to the sides. These symbols imply, through belief in Shiva, his devotees can achieve salvation. There is a very fine nuance in the face of Natta Swami. Take a deeper look on his right ear. Natta Swami dons Makara Kundalam, and on the left ear Natta Swami dons a Stri Kundalam. Traditionally, a Makara Kundalam is a ear ring or ear ornament meant for men, representing the masculine force, and the Stri Kundalam on the left ear is an ancient ear ornament worn by women. This represents the feminine force of life. The union of feminine and masculine is represented here on the face of Natta Swami, right in the middle of creation and destruction. But now, let's look closely at this representation. Nataraj is drawn inside an 8x8 mandala. His left leg is raised, suggesting a movement from left to right. His left hand holds Agni, and his right hand holds the Damru. Why would he suggest that he's moving from left to right? The answer will blow your mind. What is the sound made by no two things striking together? It is Om. It is the sound of the energy of the universe, of which all things are manifestations. Energy is what underlies all the forms. E equals mc squared. The word Om is defined by Hindu scriptures as being the primordial sound of creation. It is the original vibration of the universe. From this first vibration, all other vibrations are able to manifest. According to the Pranava Veda, the universe manifests in two forms. The form of light as Om, this is the source of all visual forms. The second manifestation is the oral form, Om the sound. We know for a fact that sound evolves from light. We all know that the light is at a higher frequency and velocity than sound. This is the same reason we see lightning first, then we hear thunder. So in this way, the process of creation evolves from the dance of Shiva. First comes light, then sound evolves from light, and then all the visual and oral forms in this universe are created. This is why in Shiva's Nataraj's dance of evolution, the movement is from left to right, from the light to the sound, from the Agni to the Damru. This is so, then the process of dissolution should be the opposite. This means that Nataraja's right leg should be lifted instead, suggesting a movement from right to left. Look at these majestic pictures suggesting the dance of evolution versus the dance of dissolution. Let us look at what modern science has to say about this. String theory is the idea that reality is made of infinite vibrating strings, smaller than atoms, electrons, or quarks. According to this theory, as the strings vibrate, twist, and fold, they produce effects in many tiny dimensions that human interprets as everything from particle physics to large-scale phenomenon like gravity. It has been proposed that string theory might just be the theory of everything. This is the order of nature. The rhythmic vibration of the shaft of consciousness is the dance of Shiva, the celestial dance, the cosmic dance, the dance of evolution of Nataraja. His pulsation is rhythmic and symmetric. The statue of Nataraja is also currently installed at the CERN Institute in Switzerland. Furthermore, the image captured by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope resembling Shiva's Damru adds another layer of awe to this cosmic dance. The picture was taken by the Hubble telescope and named the Southern Crab Nebula. But it mirrors the whirling motion of the Damru. From a large explosion, the universe expands and is set to contract again in the next 65 million years. This is the process of creation and dissolution. The whole world is nothing but a rhythm, energy rising and then collapsing, only to rise again. It is also a symbol of sound. Sound is the rhythm of energy. The whole universe is nothing but a wave function. acting on vibrations. The damru then becomes a symbol not just of sound but of the rhythmic vibration inherent in the order of nature, and this is corroborated by modern science. We might not know enough about our rich past and scientific secrets. Let's open our eyes to the ancient temples where stories are carved in stone. This celestial dance, when connected with the principles of string theory, reflects the fundamental rhythm of the universe, which is a dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. To sum up, Natta Swami's dance signifies the eternal cycle of creation and destruction. All this is done by a single image, where Shiva and Shakti are depicted in the face of Natta Swami. The entire universe is described by the text as a code for the genderless individual self, which is the masculine god Shiva and feminine energy Shakti. Jagate Pitaru Vande Parvati Parameshwaru. That is the manifestation of Lord Nataraj. As always, if you found this video insightful, please subscribe to my channel and together we can uncover the truths that have shaped our world.